Hello and welcome all to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you the basics of HTML tags, or if you want to brush up your HTML concepts, then you have come to the very right place. So let's get started with the prerequisites that you will be needing is any text editor you can use. Notepad, it is very basic. If you can have Notepad++, then it's fun to use. Now the preferred one that I'll be using to teach you guys would be Sublime. You can use other text editors like Atom and NetBeans. In fact, you can use any text editor that you are comfortable with. So you won't be needing any prior knowledge of HTML in this tutorial because I'll be teaching you from the very scratch. So let's get started with the tutorial. Okay, so here I have opened Sublime Text Editor and I have created a folder named Browseric, and in that I have created a file named index.html. Make sure that whatever file you are saving is with the extension .html or .htm. In case if you don't know how to do these steps, then you can write in the comment section. I'll be clearing your doubt. Now let's move forward. Let's write our first statement, that is doctype. Now for the people who don't know what this sentence is, actually this sentence is a way of telling your browser that what kind of language you will be using so that the browser understands. Here I have mentioned it as HTML. So our next step would be to write the HTML tag. Now please make sure that whatever tags you are using is written in the lesser than and greater than bracket, and whatever tags you are opening has to be closed in the same sequential manner in the way you have opened the tags. This is the basic syntax that you have to remember every time you are dealing with HTML files. Now the body tag is actually the heart and soul of your HTML page. Whatever steps you write or whatever text you write or links you provide is actually written in the body tag. In the head tag, this is actually another critical tag in which you provide links to your CSS file, JavaScript file, or your Bootstrap file. It also contains the title tag. In this tag, actually you write the name of your web page. For example, let's write my web page. So when you save this, when you go into the browser, this will actually show it in the bar. Now let's write our first content in the body tag. I'll be starting with the header tag h1. Now there are 6 kinds of header tag: h1, h2, h3 and till h6. h1 is the largest and h6 is the smallest. For example, let's see the difference. Hello world, and make sure to close every tag. Let's write h6 tag now with the same text, hello world, and make sure to close the tag. Now it's like a wrapper. HTML works in a wrapper kind of way. Whatever you open, you have to close them in the same manner. Let's save this. Right click, copy file path. Let's open, go to the URL, right click and paste it, and then enter. See, as you can see, your output is visible on the screen. Hello world. This was the h1 tag and this is the h6 tag. People who ask what is the difference between header and p tag. Well, header tag is used to give a heading to your web page, whereas p tag is used to write paragraphs. You can use multiple sentences in the paragraph tag. For example, here I have written 2 sentences, that is, welcome to my first web page. I hope you enjoy reading my web page. So the output is see, as you can see, there are 2 sentences. Now suppose I want the second sentence to be down below this first sentence. So here we use a BR tag, that is the break tag. It actually breaks the sentence. Let's see the output. Refresh the file. See, as you can see, the second sentence has come below the first sentence. Now suppose I want to give it a background color. So that is to the heart and soul of your web page. So you go to the body tag. For giving a background color, you use PG color. Please remember the spelling because there are people who use COLOUR, it won't work. So the value, suppose I give red, make sure to write in the double inverted commas whatever value you are giving. Again save this, go to the browser, refresh. See, here it is, the background color. Now the title is actually shown over here, my web page, the title that I had given, it shows in the bar. Now let's learn another basic HTML tag, that is marquee. It is another exciting feature. It actually puts your text in a scroll manner. It's a moving text. The default value is actually from right to left. Suppose I write welcome. Yeah. Now again close the tab. Save this and go to your browser. See, here you can see the output, that is welcome, from right to left. Now there are another tags that actually give a beautiful texture to your text that you have provided. Suppose I want my text to be in the italic form, so I write I tag, that is italics, I tag, and I write browser, and again I have to close this tag. Another tag, that is HR tag. This HR tag provides a horizontal line to the web page. Now you save it. Please make sure that whatever you are writing in your text editor, you are actually correspondingly simultaneously you are checking your output also, so that you don't get stuck figuring out what your fault was or what error you are facing. So here you can see the browser HR tags, H1 tag, H6 tag. You can use another H2 to H5 tags. Check, give it a shot. So in this way you can actually create your first web page with the basic HTML. In the next tutorial I'll be teaching you with the CSS. Till then, take care. Bye bye.